Oh! You can see. Oh. There, and then have another one come. Boom. Like the outside. Basically, just cover that with cardboard, painted it, cover with moss, you know. And I can use staple gun, boom, 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 staple gun, and then just cover that with material. Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, damn it, I didn't go have a look of that fabric. And then put moss in outside. Okay, I think we got it. Woohoo. Oh, green. That's the road. Let's go around by here though. Oh, so cool. I can do it. With me. I'm finishing up the poster finally. Doing it for free for my mom. But really she should pay me. But also it would look good on my CV. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Boo you. I need to go to the Jesus. punch the bag. Wow. It look good. Wow, I look tired. One A4 and then one A5. Oh, so cute. And you can still see the letter. Ooh, it's so tiny. It's so cute.
Really nice to meet you.
This is the one who designed creating. Take the floor to Nanya and Liana and throw your ideas out there in terms of like what you guys have been thinking. But I think Hamza, if you open the floor with kind of what you were intending on the creative direction side, because Hamza is shooting.
Good news. So I found this. They gave me samples for free. Oh, my face. Should I put on the wall like this as my sample? No, I need to. Anyways, too excited to show you. Oh, Liana, she gave me this. She's just like, oh, here you go. Have it. Well, good friend. So happy. I got the measurement here in front of me as well. So let's get cracking. The stages. Hot. Whoa! You see that? Okay, it's hot, so I need the brush. Look at that. It doesn't. Oh, actually. So I'm gonna. The melting bit, I'm gonna dab it with paint. I need to write something down so I don't forget. How do you spell that? I don't know. Just put here. Let's go. I didn't have any breakfast. It was just bad. That should be cool. Anyways, I think I got what I need. The bucket, the paint. I'm gonna try this one out. Near the drum area and the front is here. 50 is about that. So okay. It's almost 5:30. We're going boxing. It's busy working. It's okay. I'll see you inside. Okay, in we go. Make my life a bit easier. Look good rice. I got mushroom, spinach, leftover bamboo with chicken, egg, and rice. Oh, okay. I'm just walking toward my class. I'm not late. That's the main thing. Never late. See you inside. I'll ask the teacher if I'm allowed to record. Yeah.